How to block server invite links from your Discord server. Hey everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how you can easily do that. First thing first, go ahead and open up your Discord application. Or if you are using web browser, just search for Discord on your browser and your Discord will open up. Make sure to just log into your account. So if people have been spamming Discord server invite links on your Discord server, you can stop it. So you're gonna have to download a bot. So the bot is called YADGBP or something like that. Just search for it and you'll find this link right here. Click on this bot and then from here, you're gonna have to add this to your server. Click on add to server and it will open up your Discord app. Now just select the server where you want to add it. So keep scrolling, click on authorize, and then just select your server. And once you get to your control panel, you can select your server, change your server. So I'm going to select this one and then authorize it again. Let's just continue and click on authorize. All right, so once that is done, confirm that you're a human, complete this CAPTCHA. And once that is done, you will have to do a few tweaks on the settings. So once you get to the control panel, just click here to start managing your server and go to moderation. Click on change settings. So all you have to do here is go to this general option and make sure to enable all of these options. Enable report command, login on ban. And once you have done that, then the next step is to go to basic auto moderator, and here you'll just have to turn on the enable the basic moderator and go to links and then enable this one as well. So what happens is if someone tries to paste a link of a Discord server or any other links for that matter, this bot will automatically stop it from being a link and will be pasted as a normal text. So if that is done, just click on save and you're good to go. So if you just go to this server and try to paste an invite link, it will just be a normal text and not a link. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll catch you on the next one.